What is going on with Kinder Joy? There is a new trend going on in social media. Unboxing videos, Harry Potter toys, adults buying Kinder Joy. Why? All of a sudden, it seems everyone is obsessed with these little chocolate eggs. I checked online stores and they are out of stock everywhere. How did this marketing trend create such a massive buzz? I saw articles hinting at a master plan behind Kinder Joy's collaboration with Harry Potter. What's the reason behind all this? The Harry Potter edition of Kinder Joy is generating a lot of buzz. I have to tell something more interesting. Although Kinder Joy is typically aimed at children, many adults are purchasing it in large numbers just to obtain Harry Potter toys. What a clever marketing tactic. Yes, today we are analyzing the case study behind the trending collaboration of Kinder Joy and Harry Potter. Hey Potterheads, welcome back to Wezealor. Let's get started. Today we are diving deep into partnership that even Draco Malfoy himself approved of Kinder Joy and Harry Potter. There are few articles, I'll just read the headlines. Even Tom Felton himself said Kinder Joy's ability to capture some of the magic of the franchise gives fans a new way to experience its excitement and allows its legacy to be passed. Even Amber Hansinger, vice president at Ferrero, marketing Kinder Joy and Kinder Seasonal at Ferrero, said that we are excited to bring the new Harry Potter collection to families and have Kinder Joy be a part of those special moments of wonder shared between parents and children. They both are right. This collaboration sparked up a real frenzy with limited edition of toys popping up online with some seriously magical prizes. The hashtag Kinder Joy Harry Potter was trending worldwide. It's clear there are countless Potter fans who wouldn't hesitate to buy a chocolate just for the sake of toy. In my opinion, they have effectively utilized market research to meet customer demands. It's become a trend to purchase Harry Potter themed Kinder Joy, film reactions, showcase the toy, and then appear trendy in front of others. They have effectively leveraged social media marketing that will continue to be relevant for months. It wasn't just a hype, it was genuinely difficult to find these eggs. I'm a huge fan of Harry Potter. I used to wear Harry Potter spectacles in my teens. So, since this Kinder Joy has become a huge trend, even I searched for Harry Potter edition in Kinder Joy, but most of the stores were out of stock. And then I ordered one Kinder Joy from Blinkit, a quick commerce platform, and I've got 3 set of Kinder Joy. In the first egg, I've got Harry Potter. I was so lucky. And in second egg, I've got a train, and in the third egg, I've got Ron Weasley. I felt so happy and nostalgic remembering all Harry Potter moments. This trend of collaborating with popular franchises isn't new. Companies like Miniso have successfully leveraged collaborations with brands like Disney. Even Lenskart has also explored their collaborations in successfully reaching out wider audience and creating unique and exciting products for consumers. A spark of joy, back in April 2024, Ferrero North America launched this collection teaming up with Warner Bros. And Funko to bring us 16 collectibles from Wizarding World. From pencil toppers and sticky notes to those converted Funko figurines of Harry, Ron, Hermione, and the whole crew. Now, here is the key thing. As of December 2024, Ferrero hasn't released any official sales figures or growth metrics of this limited edition. But the sheer virality of the campaign speaks volumes. The countless social media posts, unboxing videos, and trending hashtags are the clear indicators of its widespread reach and impact. The fact that they were consistently out of stock on quick commerce platforms like Zepto and Blinkit is another strong indicator of demand and desirability of these limited edition items. So while we know it has generated a ton of interest, especially among the collectors, we are relying on these clues to understand its true impact. Kinder Joy, a confectionery brand owned by Ferrero, an Italian company that manufactures sweet packaged products, wanted to cast a spell of growth and reach new audience. But in the world overflowing with snacks and toys, how do you truly stand out? Yes, how do you truly stand out? How do they truly stand out? How do Kinder Joy truly stand out? For this question, they came up with a very strong solution, that is a powerful partnership with the wizarding world of Harry Potter. This wasn't just a simple branding exercise. This was a strategic alliance that tapped into the immense power of beloved franchise. Let's break down the key ingredients of this magical marketing potion. Firstly, leveraging powerful IP. Harry Potter has a global fan base spanning generations, and this provided an instant recognition for the brand Kinder Joy. Imagine instantly tapping into a built-in audience of millions. Secondly, expanding the target audience. While Kinder Joy primarily target children, but the Harry Potter collaboration attracted many older kids and adult collectors. It's a brilliant way to broaden your customer base. And next, enhancing collectability. The limited edition of Harry Potter toys inside the egg has created a sense of urgency and collectability. People wanted to catch them all, driving repeat purchases. And next, creating buzz and virality. The partnership created massive social media buzz, going viral with countless social media posts, unboxing videos, and trending hashtags. This generated invaluable organic marketing for both Kinder Joy and Harry Potter, extending the reach of the campaign far beyond the traditional advertising. This generated invaluable organic marketing for both Kinder Joy and Harry Potter, extending the reach of the campaign beyond the traditional advertising. And finally, cross promotion. Kinder Joy didn't just rely on the toys themselves. They used various marketing strategies like social media campaigns, TV commercials, and eye-catching in-store displays to amplify the message. So from my research, these are the strategies executed by Kinder Joy. And what about the results? You already know the results. It was a win in terms of marketing, even if the precise sales impact remains a mystery. And what learnings can new entrepreneurs and startups can take from this case study? There are several things. The power of partnerships. Focus on community and engagement, embrace collectability and scarcity, understand your target audience. So with this, I conclude. Hope you guys felt this video a productive one. If so, please like, share, comment, and subscribe to Wezealor. Until next time, I'm Rohit Lalla, signing off. From Hogwarts halls to your